Life's good.
So how did you start trading?
I lost money like everyone else. I thought it was easy, but then learned it wasn't.
How did I get into trading? Man, I saw moves everyone else didn't. I just went faster.
And then I realized it's a profession. You need systems, patience, and discipline. It's like any other profession. It takes time to learn.
I got into trading because sleeping is boring. The market never sleeps.
It took me years before I trusted my own system with real money.
I probably made 80K while you were asking that question.
It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Like any other profession, you work on it. I've been at it for 10 years almost now.
10 years? Bro, I made 10 years of your salary last Tuesday. Was too long on the jet, wonder how many opportunities I missed.
Sweat and blood it is, but nothing like eating the fruit from the tree you planted.
I've heard about your risk management.
I've had months where I lost more than I was comfortable with. But that's the point. You survive, you learn, you adapt. That's the only way forward.
Losses? You just don't do that. You see where the market is going and you go there. Bigger and faster!
And then there's the market's reality hitting back. Fast, sharp, and humbling. But you don't think about profits, you think about losses and how to minimize them.
If you can't handle a few losses, why are you still here? No war was won without spilling blood. It's war out there. You can't handle some stress? Do the 9 to 5, I'll swing by to get my car washed.
It's my time, it's mine.
You develop a lot of strategies and automate them. That's how you free up the time to develop more strategies.
Yada, 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 yada. The oldies will keep telling you they were studying under for the street lamps all night. Question, what were y'all doing during the day?
The key is in automation. You got a good one, you code it. So you can spend more time on developing other stuff and not just sit in front of the computer all day. Portfolio, portfolio, portfolio.
Look, honey, there is more money in the world than you can imagine. You just don't know how to print it. You subscribe my channel yet? No. Keep sitting in your own dirty diaper. No one is going to change it for you.
So how many strategies do you have?
I got 17 trading bots in my portfolio. So if some make losses, the others cover up for them. And I'm writing and testing a dozen more.
You think I was born like this? I was broke, so I learned fast. While others were studying strategies, I was taking shots. Winning, losing, learning.
It's my time, it's mine.
That is the edge.
Learn to manage risk and expand. Consolidate.
I think that drawdowns are the biggest problem.
Exactement. This is why I have built a portfolio with diversification to survive them. I would rather miss a few opportunities than wipe out my entire capital.
Drawdowns? That's where most people meet themselves. You don't get caught twice. First time hurts. Second time, that's your fault.
Some people learn it the hard way. Others, they just pretend it doesn't exist.
So how much do you actually make?
Trading isn't about chasing numbers. There are good months and then there are bad months.
Annual? I don't think in years.
With my portfolio of 14 years, a few machine learning models, I target somewhere between 30 and 50% annually.
Hold on. Send that.
Amplified obviously with leverage.
Yeah, where were we?
Not flashy, but it works. I built it myself. The key isn't profit, it's risk management. Focus on not losing and the gains, they will just follow.
Some people want numbers. I give outcomes.
Real trading isn't flashy. You survive first and then you grow. There are no shortcuts, no magic numbers. It's hard work and discipline.
So why YouTube?
YouTube? You think people are there to learn? They're here to feel something. And if I can make them feel like winning, they'll stay. Psychology. That's the real chart.
I wanted to showcase what real trading is. I mean, people see the flashy stuff and think that it's easy.
When they hesitate, I move.
Sharing that, the wins and the losses, that's the only way I think that I can help people not fall into the same traps.
When they panic, I move faster.
It's not about the clicks, it's the process.
Speed is the edge. Time is money.
Oh, risk is money.
And how many subscribers do you have?
Look, it's really not about subscribers.
I got 10K while you were asking that. But numbers don't mean skill. They mean attention.
I got a solid base.
Subscribers, keep them coming. More eyes, more influence. That's how it works.
I don't want people who want to get rich fast. I want people who want to put in the hard work and build an empire.
And losses?
Losses?
Yeah, I had one. Big enough to shut me up. You don't forget that. But you don't get caught twice.
Oh, that's always humbling. I've had months where the drawdowns were brutal. But this is where the diversification saves me. It stings, but it's part of the game. The key is learning.
Call it trauma, call it experience.
Some people survive because they plan. Others just dodge bullets and call that a strategy.
Any advice for our viewers?
Stop trying to be safe. Move faster, think faster, act faster.
Focus on risk first. I mean, the profits come later. Learn to protect what you have and treat trading like a profession.
But understand this. If you're wrong, you pay fast too. That's the game.
Patience and discipline matters more than luck. And when the market humbles you, survive, learn, and adapt. That's the edge.
That's how I win big.
Some of us already figured it out. You, just keep watching.